In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get free tokens in Leonardo AI. Now, if you're an AI enthusiast or someone who loves tapping into the power of advanced technologies without breaking the bank, listen closely. Let's get started, shall we? First, you'll want to navigate to leonardo.ai. If you're not familiar with it yet, this is an incredible platform that offers a variety of AI tools to make your work faster and easier. The best part? You can access it directly through your web browser without needing any downloads. Just type leonardo.ai into the address bar, and you'll be well on your way. Once you've landed on the website, the next step is logging in. Now, if you already have an account, just enter your credentials to sign in. Don't worry if you don't. Creating a new account is quick and painless. Simply follow the prompts to sign up, and in no time, you'll have your very own Leonardo AI account ready for action. After you're logged in, it's important to confirm that you're on the free plan. Typically, if you've just created a new account, you should be on this plan by default. But double-checking never hurts. Being on the free plan is crucial because this is how you'll be eligible to receive those sweet free tokens daily. Now here's where a little patience comes into play. Each day, the platform does a daily reset. This means every 24 hours, your account should be updated with a fresh set of free tokens. So if you're jumping into Leonardo AI for the first time of the day, make sure you wait until the reset has occurred to ensure you're receiving your new batch of tokens. Once you have your tokens, you'll want to use them efficiently. A nifty tip is to prioritize your most important tasks with these free tokens to maximize their value. Get familiar with the platform's offerings and allocate your tokens toward tools that suit your current needs best. By doing this, you're making the most out of the free resources available to you. In addition to the daily tokens, it's beneficial to stay on the lookout for additional opportunities to earn extra tokens. Sometimes the platform may offer bonuses or promotions. Keeping an eye on any announcements or communications from Leonardo AI could lead to extra token gains and more capacity to explore their tools. Finally, if you find yourself needing more than what the daily tokens provide, consider exploring the paid plans. While the free plan is fantastic for trying out many features, the upgraded plans offer extended access with more tokens that can support heavier or more varied usage. This might be the perfect solution if you want to dive deeper into leveraging AI capabilities for your projects. And there you have it. By following these steps, you can easily access free tokens on Leonardo AI and explore all the functionality it offers without spending a dime.